Learn Photoshop. Not just to edit your vacation photos or beautify your selfies. Learn Photoshop for the new job, for the new business, for the career. Use it to create valuable content that will help you grow. Photoshop has profoundly changed my life. I've used it to create financial stability, a great career, and more importantly, an unbreakable sense of confidence in myself. Hey there, I'm Chris Barron. I'm a certified Photoshop instructor and one of the best Photoshop instructors with over 200,000 students on Udemy, the biggest e-learning platform in the world. I'll keep this short. This course is all you're ever gonna need in terms of web design, app design, graphic design, Photoshop, and Adobe XD. Over 80 hours of video content, over 800 lectures, instant help through live chat, unlimited access so you can watch the course at your own pace, workbooks and cheat sheets to help you out, hundreds of premium PSDs to jumpstart your projects, and so much more. Just have a look at all the projects that you'll be creating from scratch. You'll learn Photoshop from A to Z, but even more than that, you'll gain confidence in yourself. You'll see you can create valuable designs that companies all over the world are looking for, and they'll pay you good money for it. Gain a life skill through this course. From a blank slate, with your own two hands, you can create valuable content. There's so much more to say, but please start the course right now and I'll see you in the first lecture.